What is thermal stress? You know that when you heat or cool a body, the body expands or contracts respectively. Now, when you try to restrict the expansion or contraction of the body in any direction, this will develop some kind of stress in a body. The stress developed is known as thermal stress. Thus, the stress induced in a body when a body is restricted to expand or contract while heating or cooling a body is known as thermal stress. Mathematically, from Hooke's law, thermal stress can be represented as or, where sigma thermal is the thermal stress and epsilon thermal is the thermal strain. Now, thermal strain can be represented as where alpha is the coefficient of thermal expansion, delta T is the change in temperature, and E the modulus of elasticity. Thus, thermal stress can be represented as related terms are the thermal stress when a body expands freely, thermal stress when the expansion is restricted completely, thermal stress when a body partially expands, and thermal stress in compound bars. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition,